Forward Collision Avoidance Assist. Forward Collision Avoidance Assist helps avoid collisions with objects in front of the vehicle while driving. If the preceding vehicle suddenly slows down, or if a forward collision risk is detected, such as a stopped vehicle or a pedestrian in front, the system provides a warning. After the warning, if the risk of collision increases, the system automatically assists with emergency braking. While driving, if there is a risk of collision with a cyclist ahead or an oncoming vehicle while turning left at an intersection, the system automatically assists with emergency braking. While driving through an intersection, if there is a risk of collision with oncoming vehicles from the left or right, the system automatically assists with emergency braking. When changing lanes while driving, if there is a risk of collision with an oncoming vehicle in the next lane or a preceding vehicle in the next lane, the system automatically assists with avoidance steering. And while driving, if there's a risk of collision with a pedestrian partially in the vehicle's intended path, the system automatically assists with avoidance steering. The driver is able to choose whether to use the functions through the detailed settings under Driver Assistance, Forward Safety in the vehicle settings.